Hi, good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are going to go ahead and take some of the very important numericals from Phillips curve and from your Okun's law. These numericals can definitely come in your exam, and therefore it is very important that you go through these numericals. I will take some of the easy numericals, and then I'm going to take some of the very difficult numericals also. Okay, beta. Look into the first question. It says, assume that the Phillips curve is given by pi t minus 1 is equal to m plus z minus alpha ut. Given this information, the natural rate of unemployment is. So we know that the natural rate of unemployment is the unemployment where there is no change in the inflation. Now, usually we define the natural rate of unemployment like this, beta. तो कैसे define करते हैं हम natural rate of unemployment को? It is defined, so U is equal to UN when pi is equal to actual value of your inflation is equal to your expected inflation. ठीक है बेटा, कैसे define करते हैं हम? That unemployment rate is at its natural level. Unemployment rate is at its natural level when the actual inflation and expected inflation are equal to each other. When actual inflation is equal to expected inflation. अब बेटा थोड़ा सा और इसमें समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Usually when we talk about, अगर कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं दी होगी, assuming adaptive expectation, we assume that the expected inflation is simply last year's inflation. मतलब मैं कितना एक्सपेक्ट करूंगी इस साल की इन्फ्लेशन को? हाउ मच विल आई एक्सपेक्ट दिस ईयर्स इन्फ्लेशन टू बी? I will expect this year's inflation to be equal to last year's inflation. मैं उसको पिछले साल के बराबर expect करूंगी. So when I say that pi t should be equal to pi et, if no information is given in exam, अगर exam में कोई भी information नहीं दी होगी, you will assume that pi et will be equal to pi t minus 1. The expected inflation will be equal to last year's inflation. बेटा जब मैं इन दोनों चीजों को क्लब करती हूँ, when I will club this and this together, when we will club these two things together, हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? We will get pi t is equal to pi et is equal to the inflation last year. So what I will go ahead and I will get is that inflation this year should be equal to the inflation last year. अब बेटा we will go back to the question. So ये question में देखो जरा. Now here what I can go ahead and I can do is, so अगर इस year और last year की inflation equal है, if both of them are equal to each other, so pi t minus 1 will be 0. हाँ बेटा. So I will get 0 is equal to m plus z minus alpha ut. I will get 0 is equal to m plus z minus alpha ut. So from here, beta, if I just take this onto the other side, I will get alpha ut is equal to m plus z. और बेटा ut को भी मैं un से replace कर सकती हूँ, because we have considered in the background that pi t is equal to pi t minus 1. So we have considered ut should be equal to un. So instead of ut की जगह पर हम un लिख सकते हैं. We can write un. So beta here I will have un. If I have un here, तो what will be the value of un? Un will be m plus z by alpha. क्या value आ जाएगी बेटा un की? Un will be m plus z by alpha. So we can say that the natural rate of unemployment, जो हमारा natural rate of unemployment होगा बेटा, that will be m plus z by alpha. That is going to be m plus z by alpha. That is the answer to this question. So answer option number B. Am I clear with this? Everyone is clear with this? Okay, beta. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you to the next question. So I will take this at the end. This is a little difficult questions. First, I will start with the easy ones. Okay, beta. Let's take this question. This is an easy one. It says, suppose Phillips curve is given by pi t minus 1 is equal to 0.25 minus 5 ut. Okay. So let's just write this equation down. What is the Phillips curve given by? Pi t minus 1 is equal to 0.25 minus 5 ut. ये Phillips curve का equation दिया हुआ बेटा. It says if unemployment rate is 0.04, so it is given that the unemployment rate is 0.04. So what can I go ahead and do? Instead of this unemployment rate, इस unemployment rate की जगह पर I can just plug this value of unemployment. मैं इस value को plug in कर सकती हूँ बेटा. So instead of this unemployment rate, I can just plug this value of unemployment and I will get pi t minus 1 is equal to 0.25 minus 5 into 0.0 into 0.04. तो क्या मिल जाएगा बेटा? 0.25 minus 0.20. So I will go ahead and get the answer as 0.05. I will get the answer as 0.05. तो बेटा जस्ट हैव अ लुक. यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखना है हमें. ये हो गया हमारा चेंज इन इन्फ्लेशन. And I am saying that my change in inflation is positive. देख रहे हो यहाँ पे positive. I am getting a positive value ना. So it is saying that the change in inflation is positive. That means that my inflation is increasing over time. मेरी inflation increase हो रही है because the change in inflation is positive. So my inflation is increasing over time. Right, beta? So what will happen? It will rise. And by what amount? क्या amount निकल के हमारा 0.05. So the correct answer to this question should be A. It will increase. And by what amount will it increase? It will increase by 0.05. Am I clear with this? Everyone? Everyone is with me on this question? We are done with it? Okay, beta. Now, let me go ahead and take another question for the day. So let's read this out better. It says, suppose that Phillips curve equation is given by this. क्या equation दी हुई है बेटा? What is the equation given to you? You are given pi t minus 1 is equal to 0.3 minus 5 ut. Given this information, the natural rate of unemployment is. So beta, how have we defined the natural rate? कैसे define किया है हमने natural rate of unemployment को? The natural rate of unemployment is defined wherever your inflation is equal to expected inflation. So your actual inflation and your expected inflation should be equal to each other. So beta, natural rate, we can write, natural rate can be defined where actual inflation and expected inflation are equal to each other. हाँ बेटा. Now, बेटा, I just told you that जब expected inflation नहीं दी होगी, when expected inflation will not be given, you can assume that your expected inflation is nothing but the last year's inflation. इस साल की इन्फ्लेशन लास्ट साल की इन्फ्लेशन के बराबर होगी. You can assume that expected inflation will be equal to last year's inflation. So बेटा यहां से हमें क्या आ जाएगा? That this year's inflation equal to expected inflation equal to last year's inflation. जो इस साल की इन्फ्लेशन होगी और जो लास्ट साल की इन्फ्लेशन होगी, they will be equal to each other. So बेटा the difference between the two will be 0. So when this happens, we know that UT will be equal to UN. तो बेटा what can I do? ये cancel out हो जाएगा and UT will be replaced with UN and UT will be replaced with UN. So beta now I can take this on the other side. So 5 UN is equal to 0.3. So UN will be 0.3 divided by 5. UN क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? 0.3 divided by 5. So 3 by 10 into 1 by 5. So 0.06. So your UN का जो value आ जाएगा बेटा, that will come down as 0.06. Am I clear बच्चों? Is that making some sense to you? So the answer to this question should be 0.06. The natural rate of unemployment will be 0.06. I hope this is making some sense to you. These questions are very, very important.